Yes, as you can see, we are here at God's Grace in Uganda, and right here we have traveled in this place, and we are glad to see here. So we are requesting for the help, those who are able to support them. As you can see, their classes, they don't have good classes, and as you can see here in Uganda, many children need help. Some of them, they don't have uniform. Some of them, they don't have shoes. You can see some have shoes, some they don't have. So we know by the God's grace, because they have been operating in God's grace. So as you can see the place, so we have traveled here. We are in Jinja, Uganda. As you can see their class, you can see their class, they are made of woods, and this is a place where they are learning, they are studying in a place like this. As you can see, yes, this is now the classes. Yeah, so we know that those who can be able to help them, you can be able to contact me, as contact us as we look for the help, for their help. These are the toilets. As you can see, this is the first toilet, and another toilet is there. So according to their statement, they have said this is the church. So in the school there is a church. The church is made of timber on the wall. So as you have seen, so this place is it has a church and a school. So I know that God will touch you, and you will be able to help them and to support them. So we thank God that God has brought us here, so that we may see a way of supporting them and helping them. So may the Lord help you. This is a kitchen. As you can see, it's a kitchen. So we are here to make sure that we see what we can do to make sure that they get help. These children may be able to get support. Even here, finding water is very difficult. From this place to where you can be able to find a borehole, it is too far. So we know that where you are able to locate them and help them. Thank you so much. God bless you. In Jesus' mighty name. Those who do not know me, I'm Pastor Joseph Ojambo. I am from Nairobi, Kenya. Came in Uganda, Jinja, to see myself the situation of Uganda. Uganda operates under lawless life, poverty, and even their currencies are very low. Everything, even you can walk almost 5 kilometers to find another house. So most of children here, they come from far. So here, even to find food, it is a challenge. So we know that me and you will be able to bring help and support to them. May God bless you. Amen.